When nothing reaches outward, what remains gathers weight. There's a density that forms when movement stops completing itself. Not heaviness in the body, but rather a kind of presence that doesn't drift. Events still occur, thoughts still pass, sound still moves through space. None of that disrupts the state because nothing is being extended toward it. What is intact doesn't need to react. What is complete doesn't rush to respond. This isn't stillness. It exists inside motion. It doesn't oppose anything. The difference shows up later, not in the moment. Less explanation, fewer adjustments, a lack of urgency where urgency used to be. Nothing is being withheld. Nothing is being guarded. There is simply no outward expenditure, not a withdrawal from life. It's density within. And once that density is present, it doesn't announce itself. It just stays.